How to log out of Outlook. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we're going to learn how we can log out of Outlook app. So let's begin with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to log out from your Outlook app, first of all you need to have the Outlook app onto your device and you need to have been logged in into your account. So if you haven't logged in, just go on with the process of logging in with your account, and let's go on with the process on how we can log out. So here you can see the dashboard of the Google your Outlook here. So you can see the dashboard of the Outlook, and in order to log out, on the top right corner you can find this Google icon. Just tap on it, top left corner, so tap on this Google account logo at the top left. After tapping on it, you'll be finding your account here. So you're gonna look up for the settings gear icon at the bottom left corner. Just tap on it below that question mark icon and you'll be finding your settings here. So you're gonna look up for the option called accounts here, which is below the general section. Just tap on your account and you'll be finding your Google account that you used or any other account that you use in order to log in into the Outlook app. So I'm gonna tap on my Google account here. So when you tap on your Google account or any account, when you tap on it, you'll be finding this remove account very easily. So if you tap on this remove account and confirm it, it will be removed from devices, including this device and all of the devices that you have logged in. So if you want to remove it from only the specific device, click on the first option and click on remove. Otherwise, click on the remove from all devices and tap on remove, and that particular account will be removed. I'm just going to click on this from this device, for example, and I'll be removed from this account. So that's how you basically log out from the Outlook app very easily. So therefore, follow the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.